Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Everyone thought foldable phones were all about getting a bigger screen, but what if a foldable could turn that extra space into a true multitasking powerhouse, even with a magnifying glass style experience? That's where things get really interesting. The biggest advantage of a foldable isn't the larger display, it's how intelligently that space is used. Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from techiestreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content. Most people simply stretch one app across the screen, making everything bigger but not more productive. Whether you're working on a train, in a cafe, or before an important meeting, constantly switching apps breaks your focus. That's exactly what Origin OS 6 Fold's Atomic Workbench is designed to fix. Instead of giving you just a bigger screen, it creates a much smarter workspace where multiple windows work together without getting in your way. The first mode is serial mode. Think of it like a stack of cards. One app stays in focus while the others sit neatly on the side. Just tap any card and it instantly moves to the front. It's perfect when you're jumping between documents or information. Need even more? Just bend the display slightly or swipe up with 3 fingers to switch to parallel mode. Now it feels like a desktop PC with multiple windows open together so you can see everything at once instead of constantly switching apps. Customization is just as easy. Resize windows by dragging the corners or use a 4-finger pinch to quickly adjust their size. Better yet, save your favorite app layout to the home screen and reopen everything with a single tap. This is where Atomic Workbench really shines. Picture a 10-cent meeting video call on one side, Atomic Notes on the other, WeChat at the top, and your document manager below. 4 apps stay active at the same time, making multitasking smoother than ever. Even daily tasks become easier. Browse Xiaoheng Shuo on one side, check Dianping reviews on the other, and keep navigation open below. Everything you need is visible at a glance. Now add powerful on-device AI, and this becomes much more than a foldable. With AI cross-window drag and drop, simply move content between apps. Drag a table image into Office or Atomic Notes, and AI instantly turns it into an editable table. You can also import business cards or translate images across Chinese, English, Japanese, and Korean in seconds. But there's one more thing. If a foldable is going to replace your everyday phone, great multitasking isn't enough. It also needs an outstanding camera.
The Vivo X Fold 6 has earned a bold nickname, the Foldable Little Black DSLR, and once you see this feature, you'll understand why. It's the world's first foldable with a Zeiss G2 Teleconverter, offering a 200mm equivalent focal length. Telephoto cameras usually need lots of space, but foldables don't have it. Vivo solved that problem with a smart external teleconverter. Once attached, it works with the Zeiss 200-megapixel ultra main camera and APO super telephoto lens to deliver a camera experience that's surprisingly close to a compact pro camera. The foldable design adds even more, including left screen preview, external display monitoring, and an external teleprompter. You even get a dual waist-level viewfinder that feels similar to shooting with a Hasselblad camera. It's seriously impressive. To power all this, Vivo has upgraded the hardware too. The X Fold 6 runs on the custom Dimensity 9500 Super Edition, co-developed with MediaTek. It delivers flagship performance for heavy multitasking and advanced AI features without breaking a sweat. Battery life is another highlight. Every model packs a huge 7,000 mAh Blue Ocean battery with 80-watt wired and 40-watt wireless FlashCharge. Even in freezing temperatures, it's built to stay reliable. For outdoor users, durability is a big focus. Its triple protection design helps it handle tough environments while continuing to perform in extreme cold. Traveling? Vivo's self-developed communication chip improves signal routing in places like high-speed trains and elevators, helping you stay connected when other phones struggle. Both the inner and outer displays also use upgraded luminous materials with 1-meter ultra-low light eye protection, making nighttime viewing much more comfortable. So if you want a foldable that excels at real multitasking, survives long business trips, and captures stunning long-range photos, the Vivo X Fold 6 is easily one of the strongest AI-powered productivity phones available today. The base model starts at 7,999 yuan in China, which is roughly 889 pounds in the UK and about $1,177 in the USA. A full, in-depth review is coming very soon, so if you don't want to miss it, hit subscribe and join our growing tech community. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye! If you'd like, I can also rewrite it in a high-retention YouTube style inspired by top tech creators like Marques Brownlee, MKBHD, or Mr. Who's the Boss, with stronger hooks and pacing while keeping the same facts.